When used with a remote controller, the DJI Flip has excellent functionalities for videography and photography. In this video, I will show you how to use Master Shot for two purposes: quickly gathering interesting footage of an unknown location and producing automated short movies with music and text. We access Master Shot in the right part of the photo-video menu, but it is available only when the drone is flying. After choosing Master Shot, a target must be selected by drawing a box around it. If a person is in the frame, it will be automatically recognized as a target and can be selected by simply tapping on the plus sign. The target chosen will be the reference point for the different moves. In the middle, a small window shows the estimated flight time, which varies according to the situation, generally between 2 and 3 minutes. By opening it, we access three parameters: width, length, and height. Each can be set to small, medium, or large to control the distance traveled during the shot. During the move, the aircraft rises considerably, so it is suggested to start from an altitude below 60 meters or 180 feet. Otherwise, the maximum height will be reached and the Master Shot will be aborted. I suggest starting at a higher altitude than also running obstacles for safety reasons. Both auto and manual exposure are available. The aircraft and the camera will move in different orientations, so I suggest avoiding auto exposure as it would lead to horrible shifts in luminosity. It is crucial to avoid shooting in the central hours of a sunny day, only in the direction of the sun. The best results are obtaining using manual exposure near sunset, sunrise, or in cloudy conditions to reduce the difference in luminosity. For resolution, there is a choice between 4K, 2.7K vertical, 1080p and 1080p vertical. All of them at a frame rate of 30 frames per second. Unlike the Mini 4 Pro and Mini 3, the camera of the Flip cannot rotate to a vertical orientations. Users active on social media platforms can shoot Master Shots in vertical format by selecting the 2.7K vertical resolution. The 10-bit color profile D-Log-M is available besides the 8-bit normal. This is useful for advanced users, as it makes it easier to integrate the footage into the color scheme of a specific project. When using D-Log-M profile, the image on the screen will appear very flat. But we can activate Display Color Assist to add some contrast and saturation. After hitting the shutter, the aircraft will perform a series of moves according to the distance from the target and its nature. The map shows the position of the aircraft and the estimated flight route, which is handy for detecting obstacles. The Master Shot can be stopped at any time by pressing the red shutter on the screen or the pause button in the remote controller. There are three sets of moves: proximity when the target is relatively close, landscape for a target farther away, and portrait where the target is a person. In proximity mode, the aircraft circles for a few seconds to compute its position. Then it performs a drone going backward while racing, a circle to the left far from the target, a pitch-up fly forward, starting with the camera facing the ground and gradually tilting up to reveal the target, a circle to the right from a closer view using the digital zoom, another circle to the left from a medium distance, a rocket rising in altitude while keeping the camera on the target, a camera down fly forward until the target is below the aircraft, a camera down circle while slightly ascending for the famous screwdriver effect, a camera straight plus descend facing the opposite direction, and a camera down plus descend. Then the camera stops recording and the aircraft goes back to the initial position. The moves in portrait mode are very similar to proximity, while landscape mode introduces some moves with the drone rolling while turning, like in FPV mode. With the master shot properly exposed, we can cut out a few interesting clips when exploring an unknown location in just a few minutes. Master shot can also be used to produce some exciting short movies with music and text. Let's see how it works. After turning on the controller and the drone, click on the icon with a small triangle below the shutter to access the album containing the file on the memory disk and the internal memory on the drone. The files for master shots have an icon with a small star in the middle. The one shot in color mode other than normal show the profile name, dlog-m. By clicking on one of them, we get a full screen view. We can visualize the master shot by tapping on the arrow in the middle of the screen. By tapping on Create Master Shot, we access the different templates, divided into 5 groups for different moods: original, epic, cheerful, smooth, pop. Each contains several templates for short movies of about 30 to 40 seconds, putting together short clips taken for the master shot with music. Some templates contain text that cannot be modified. The resulting movie will be at a resolution of 1080p. When using a controller connected to a remote device like the RC-N3, the operation is straightforward. While with the RC2 controller with the built-in screen, the files must be transferred using Quick Transfer to a smartphone or tablet with DJI Fly app installed to apply the templates and generate the short movie. Click on this link to watch my video about photography with the DJI Flip. And don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video interesting. Thank you.